Yay, baby.
Daddy,
Peanut butter.
get that peanut butter away from me.
It sucks.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
First spin. Here we go.
We're in this together.
I think I hear a baby.
Oh, me too.
What are you doing, Sally? Oh, your baby here. Did you throw your baby out?
Look at that.
Okay, let's change your diaper. Symphony's gonna do that. Symphony. It's all changed. Say thank you, Symphony. Symphony. She said your name. What? Well, she's like, I want my own snack. Forget about her. Come on. You want some snacks? You want little cheddar frogs?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Open the mom.
What? Did she poop her diaper? Did you poop your diaper? Ribbit.
Yay, baby. Yay, baby. Yay, baby. Wake up the baby.
Go wake up the bubby.
Okay. Hi, Bobby. Oh no!
Hi, Bobby. What up, A to the B to the A to the S-I-C? How are you guys doing today? Me and the kids were just hanging out at the house. Nina's coming home tonight from her birthday trip. Nana's outside. We're gonna have a little snack, okay? And then we're gonna go in the backyard, okay? And then we're gonna chill out. I'm working on cleaning out the swimming pool. It was a dark green when we came back home from Pennsylvania. I tried to save the water with chemicals, but it just didn't work. It's crazy what 2 weeks can do to that pool when it's not being attended to. So the water's ruined. So right now I'm draining it. Gotta clean out the bottom of it and maybe put more water in it. Should we put more water in the pool this year? Is it worth it? You think so?
If I had a superhero ability, I don't know why this just came to me, it would be to fly, because I'm like, Mommy, I can't reach this. Daddy, I can't reach this. And if he's busy, I'll be climbing on stuff.
I would want to be invisible, like this. Ooh, this is awesome. All right, everyone wants a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for a snack.
Hey, Daddy, get the peanut butter away from me, though. Hey, Daddy.
Get away from the peanut butter.
Get that peanut butter away from me.
Somebody, no, he's just making me peanut butter on jelly.
Get that peanut butter away from me. Daddy, can you...
Thanks, Dad. Let's take that.
You're welcome.
It sucks.
Yeah.
Daddy, don't hold it.
Oh, one foot. My bad.
That one.
Oh, it goes on this one? Needles are coming off of them. Here's the pool, guys. I'm gonna get in there and vacuum the bottom. It's gonna be a nasty job. Looks just like a bunny. You okay?
He's coming on. He's gonna jump with us.
Whoa! 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 So I'm just siphoning the bottom of the pool. As you can see, it's the bottom that's really bad. So yeah, guys, Saturday we're having a surprise birthday party for Nia. Don't tell her. Okay, guys? We'll see if Abram can last that long.
Oh, bite. And then I have it, so you can have a bite. Just eat it.
No.
Do you know what?
good, like good enough for you to swim in?
Well, yeah, I mean, it's pretty.
All right, there we go, guys. Does that look any better than before? It really does. You can see the bottom of the pool. It's pretty cool. So now I'm putting some fresh water in it and filtering it some more. Just shocked it again. Put some antifungal in there. Now it's time to go take another shower. Oh, so sweet. Oreo, get in there. Get in the car, guys. We're gonna go get dinner and drop Nana off.
Can we go to McDonald's to get a kids meal?
I don't know, but I'll think about it, I said. Depends how you guys behave. All right, guys, we're taking my mom home now, and we're listening to Christian music, and I started thinking about Heath. And I forgot to tell you guys that Heath and I filmed a live, Heath, Juliet. We filmed a live music video while I was out in Pennsylvania with him. I'm gonna put a link in the description and put a card up here for you guys to check out.
Let our voices rise, all creation cries, singing out an endless hallelujah.
It's Nia's favorite Christian song right now. Heath redid it, and in my opinion, it was better done. It was just incredible. I love it so much. But I did the filming, he did the singing all live. You guys should go check it out. Okay? Do it.
Bye, Nana. Bye, Nana.
Bye, Mom. Love you.
I love
Thanks for your help. I really do appreciate it.
Oh, well, it was my pleasure.
So nice, my mom. Even despite her pain, she's so helpful. So sweet. I don't expect it, but she's just so giving of her time and her energy. She loves our kids so much. She's so sweet. We have 3 Happy Meals here. We're about to see what is inside of these Happy Meals. Is it a toy? Is it a head? Is it a piece of clothing?
Toy.
Maybe a pair of socks if you're lucky?
Yeah, even look, we got Mario toys.
Okay, Symphony's eating cheeseburger.
And yogurt.
My babies.
And yogurt.
Yeah, that's babies.
Look, my nose. Look.
And they gave me ketchup.
Yep.
We all got these little stickers.
Yoshi Bingo?
Look, show
This is
me.
Bingo.
And it goes on to spin the wheel. His
Oh,
tongue is the thing.
Oh, okay, so you spin it and you do green Yoshi head. So you have it there. So that means you take a sticker and put it on there, right? All right, here we go. I'm gonna play for Juliet.
She doesn't know.
She said no. All right, guys, whoever wins gets a big special kiss by Daddy.
Yay!
You hear that, buddy?
Daddy, you know I don't even want a prize.
You don't want a special kiss from Daddy?
No.
Why?
Because I thought it meant a real prize, not this fake prize.
That isn't a fake prize.
Daddy!
It's a real prize. All right, we're playing on the orange card, okay? Orange. We are doing orange first. First spin. Here we go. Looks like it's going to be the white and green egg.
Okay, yes, it's right here.
Put it on your orange board. Here we go. Red mushroom.
Okay, I have that.
Red turtle shell. Here we go again. Okay, green toad.
Bingo!
You got bingo already? What? You did? Looks like Symphony won it.
Yay, I get a bunch of kisses from Daddy. Hey!
I had such a great day with the kids and Nana. Now it's time to go to bed, and it's time for comment of the day. It goes to the crazy cuz. I love how you celebrate the first day of school. Isn't that so sweet that Nia does that for the kids? She is just the dream mother. I just tell her it's just amazing the things that she goes out of the way to do for her kids. She's like genuinely excited for her kids. She was like so hyped up the night before and so excited about Symphony's first day of school as if it was her first day of school. I just find that so adorable about her, and that's like one of the huge draws that I had towards her, how excited she was about life and celebrating it and things like that. She's just such an amazing woman. All right, question of the day. What is the best thing you've ever received in a Happy Meal, kids meal, or any sort of kids meal from any sort of restaurant? What's the best thing you've gotten there? All right, guys, don't forget, he loves you. And remember to love each other.
I'll beat you.
Not yet. Not
I'll
yet.
get one.
Okay. Gosh.
Be the hand that you can't hold when you can't make it on your own. I promise you are not alone. We're in this together. I'll be your shelter from the rain.